Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Taste of India. Now our today's recipe is chili gravy momos. So let's discuss the ingredients we need. For stuffing we need mustard oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, salt to taste, garam masala 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, black pepper and cumin seeds powder 1 tablespoon, half cabbage finely chopped, half capsicum finely chopped, 2 medium sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped. For gravy we need 1 medium sized onion sliced, half capsicum sliced, 2 to 3 green chilies and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, Szechuan chutney and veg mayonnaise. For dough we need 1 tablespoon refined oil, 2 cup all-purpose flour. For frying momos we need some oil. Now let's discuss the method. To make the stuffing, heat the oil in a wok on medium-low heat. Once hot, add finely chopped green chilies and garlic. Saute for few seconds. Make sure not to burn them. Now add chopped veggies, onion, cabbage and capsicum. Mix and continue cooking with stirring constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. Veggie will start to soften. Now add all the spices. Again mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful not to overcook the vegetables. We do not want them mushy. Now keep the mixture aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, knead the dough for outer covering. Mix all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add little water at a time and knead into a smooth yet firm dough. Then add 1 tablespoon oil and cover it. And let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now time to make momos. Let's divide the dough into equal portions and keep aside. Take one ball and roll into a circle. Then put about a tablespoon of stuffing in the center and shape the momos like I am doing. Similarly shape all of them and it's done. Now time to steam these momos. One more thing, we need to fry these momos, so we will half steam these momos. Here I don't have a momos stand, so I am steaming it in a wok like this. Add glass full of water in a wok and bring it to a simmer and then arrange the shaped momos. Cook it for 5 minutes. Our momos are ready. Take out the momos in a plate and keep aside. Now we are going to deep fry these momos. Heat the oil in a wok and fry the momos. And keep aside in a plate. Now time to make gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute green chilies and garlic until raw smell disappears. Add sliced onion and capsicums. Saute them on high flame for a couple of minutes. After that, add Szechuan chutney and veg mayonnaise. Add salt and black pepper powder. Add little bit of water and stir continuously. Keep simmering for another minute or two. After that, add fried momos and coat them carefully with the sauce. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn the heat off and it's ready to serve. Serve it hot or warm. If you love this video, kindly like and subscribe here and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.